Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am going to make a delicious and healthy vegetables and barley soup. This soup is quick, easy and also suitable for vegetarian and vegan. If you're new to my channel, press on the like button, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And a big thank you to all my subscribers for your nice comments, your like and your support. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. Two carrots cut in cubes, 1 large potato cut in cubes, 2 tomatoes cut in cubes, 1 chopped large onion, 1 courgette cut in cubes, 2 chopped celery sticks, 1 white parsnip cut in cubes, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 minced garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of tomato passata, 50 grams of fine barley semolina, 1.5 liters of vegetables or chicken stock, salt to your liking, black pepper to your liking, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a hot pan. Add the onions and stir a little bit. Add the carrots and stir. Add the potato and stir. Add the courgette and stir. Add the parsnip and stir. Add the celery and stir. Then mix and let it cook for 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and mix a little bit. Add the tomatoes and mix. Add the salt to your liking. Add the black pepper to your liking. Add half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add the tomato paste. Then mix well to combine all the ingredients together. Add the tomato passata and mix everything well. Then add the vegetables or chicken stock. And mix everything. Cover and let it cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes and cover, mix a little bit. Then add the fine barley. Then stir continuously for 10 minutes or until the barley is cooked. Then taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking if needed. And finish by adding some fresh chopped parsley. Stir a little bit and serve. Et voila, our delicious soup is now ready. If you've never made this soup, I really recommend it as the barley gives a unique taste and is also a healthy vegetarian and vegan meal. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.